Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to send large files and WhatsApp without compression. That's actually guys so simple to be done, and I guess you already have been done that without knowledge, but you didn't notice. So let me show you exactly how you can do that. First let's go into our WhatsApp, and once you are here just select a conversation that you want to send or to send the large file to. Right here, if you want to send a video, you will go directly into the camera right here, the camera icon, and you will tap on it, and then you will choose the video. Just to set an example, this is screenshot. So once you tap on the video, if it's a large video, just like 2 minutes or minutes and a half, etc., you need to cut the video to send it completely. So what I want to do right here is not going into the camera. What I want to do is to go into this icon, tap on it, and right here I want you to go into documents, and I want you to bring that video and look for that video from your documents. And once you find it, you just need to tap on it, and then you just need to send it, and it will be sent it completely. Anyways, as I told you, this is so easy. Don't forget to like, guys, and thank you so much for watching.